One of the numbers of courts used by the federal government under the leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to challenge the operational activities and exercise of authorities by the former governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, Godwin Emefiele has fixed February 26, 2025 to rule on recusal application filed by the embattled ex-CBN governor after the Special Offences Court judge was accused of being biased and unfair in his handling of the case before the court sitting in Lagos State. This is coming after another court-ordered final forfeiture of billions of naira worth of properties allegedly linked to the most troubled, investigated, humiliated and detained ex-governor of CBN in Nigeria history. Details of the report as contained in numbers of news releases made available by the Public Relations Unit of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC reads verbatim below. Court to rule on Emefiele's application alleging bias. February 26. Justice R.A. Oshodi of a Special Offences Court sitting in Ikeja, Lagos, has adjourned till February 26, 2025 to deliver ruling on an application by a former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, asking the trial judge to recuse himself alleging bias. Emefiele is standing trial on a 19-count charge bordering on receiving gratification and corrupt demand preferred against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. His co-defendant, Henry Omoy, is facing a 3-count charge bordering on unlawful acceptance of gifts by agents. They have pleaded not guilty to the charges. At Monday's proceedings, February 24, 2025, the prosecution led by Rotimi Oyedepo, SAN, concluded the examination-in-chief of the 7th prosecution witness, PW7, Adetola John, but rather than proceed with the cross-examination, counsel for Emefiele, Olalekan Ojo, SAN, and Omoy's counsel, Kazim Badamosi, SAN asked the court to recuse itself on the allegation of bias. The defense refused to cross-examine the witness and through an oral application, unanimously asked the court to recuse itself alleging bias. Oyedepo, however, vehemently opposed the application. He said, "In this proceeding, your lordship had numerous times ruled against the prosecution, and if defense is dissatisfied with the ruling of the court, they can appeal. I do not know what defense is trying to prove by telling this court to recuse itself because in this case, there is no evidence of allegation of bias. This is a form of delay tactics and I urge your lordship to discountenance this application because a reasonable person